land 21, 0 Lima Alpha.
0 Lima Alpha, wind 240 at 11, gust 19, runway 21, clear to land.
That's better.
Clear to land 21, 0 Lima Alpha.
There you go. That's perfect. Very nice, sir. A lot of wind. That was really nice, dude.
0 Lima Alpha, turn left enable, contact ground point 9, we're off.
Point 9er.